So in this video, I'm just going to show the Zoom R8 multi-track digital recorder. I have my entire studio routed into the line input 1 and 2. So the reason why I got the Zoom R8 is to record the final result for my studio. I can mix the signals and I can add extra tracks later on if I want to. So first off, since it's stereo in left and right, so I press Pan EQ right here, and then we scroll to stereo link and I turned it on. So you just turn the knob and turn it on. Now I'm going to exit and make sure that the inputs 1 and 2 are on, and then I'm going to press right here. And now we have the stereo signal 1 and 2 ready to record. So I have an empty track and it has all the settings that I want. We're going to save that to a new project file. So I'm going to press project. We're going to scroll down to copy. It says here name. Right here it says delete, so we're going to delete the text here. I'm just going to name it something by scrolling the wheel and using the arrow keys. So I'm going to call this RC, so that's my initials. Once we have that, press OK, and we're going to go down to execute, and then press enter. Now it's copying to a new project. So again, let's turn line 1 and 2 on. Now we're going to go over to my setup, and I'm just going to record by pressing record and then play. Once I press play, we're going to start what I have over here. So I just press stop here, and we have this recorded in. So what I'm going to do is, you see the time here, 3 minutes 22 seconds. So if I press stop and rewind, it goes right to 0. Now I can press play and listen to it. So we can hear, it sounds exactly like the same quality as when I had just performed it out. I really like how this works because if I wanted to add some more tracks, I could just arm them and just start recording. The only thing about this is that it can't sync to MIDI. So once it's recorded in, that's it. I don't even save the Deluge song file. It's just how I work. I usually work with loops and improvise until something hits me and sounds good, and so I capture it on Deluge. Using this with my entire studio has really made it a lot better for me because I enjoy having one little box that contains all of my audio files, the final files already sitting in an SD card. This thing has definitely changed my workflow. I don't have to have my computer on anymore, and everything is just the focus on the music and not clicking on a mouse and aiming at different settings or knobs. Everything is right here, and when I'm ready, I just press record and off it goes.